how to buy Bitcoin Treasury machine token. So this token came under the symbol of BTM. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to invest on crypto with this referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token, and make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and increased by 50,000% in the last 24 hours. Daily liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token right now trending number 1 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet for that. Now we'll just log into my wallet first, as you can see, guys. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token on this. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here's type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page. And from here, say which the slip page or custom made, because the most of these issues came from the slip page. And after that, you can go and buy this token. So this is how to buy BTM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.